Welcome everybody, it is Bobby Two Pops Breaks. On Wednesday, it is March the 26th. We are breaking a Gold Brush 16 by 20 MLB photos. It's a 2-box break. The last two of the case we started tonight. We got 3 and 8. We did pick a name, get 2 via random on the left. Already randomized. Everybody, actually, we already randomed our extra names, awarded all the free spots, everything there, guys. Gave them all a chance to trade. Just give it 1 second. Let me double check. Alright, guys, I am not seeing anything. So here we go. Alrighty, guys. Well, hang on, M. Bush for anybody, guys? Michael Bush, guys, before we do our reveal here. Last call for M. Bush, guys. Alright, guys, here we go. Wow. Well, guys, it looks like Adam's gonna be our 1-spotter on that, baby. We're gonna take the big hurt, folks. Beckett hologram in that, baby. It's gonna be the big hurt. Frank Thomas, a great photo, man, I'll tell you that. I do believe that was Adam. Yes, sir. Adam. Alrighty, guys, here comes our last box in this case. Alrighty, guys. Jesus. Alright, guys, here we go. Bam. Wow, man. Oh, who the hell that is? Looks like Ben Zobrist again, guys. I don't know. Well, guys, that one actually just seemed like a solid case. Wasn't one of our monster cases there. Gonna be the Ben Zobrist, Beckett, and Schwartz. Be with you on that, guys. Well, guys, wasn't a bad case at all. Just wasn't quite up to our last ones. Well, that's going to be an Irish on that one, man. Irish rocked the room there tonight. Well, guys, I am very sorry, everybody else. You guys can call out your keeps. And for tomorrow, guys, you guys can keep your names for tomorrow. So call out your keeps, guys. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitch, 8 p.m. Central, folks. Bobby Two Pops Breaks. Y'all have a wonderful one.